All right, all right, all right. Here we go. Thank you, Lord. Good, 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 good. We are live. Everything is working well today. Yes, indeed. I'm Bishop James. I feel God Brown. I've been called the internet's favorite pastor. I have no idea why, but they liked it. I loved it. Uh, and so they gave me some flowers before I went home. But today we've been working through, and I've been working through for you, how to do affiliate promoting and affiliate marketing. Tonight we're going to do an actual case study. I'm going to use your affiliate links, going to your affiliate product, going and promoting it for your affiliate benefit. And I'm going to walk through the process and show you exactly how we do it. I'm going to create the ads. I'm going to create the videos. I'm going to create it all while we sit here in the next hour. Now, what I'm going to require of you and what I need you to do is to immediately, and did I say immediately? Immediately send me by email at ifeelgod@gmail.com. That's ifeelgod@gmail.com. I need you to send me the affiliate program that you want to promote. I need you to not only send me the affiliate program that you want to promote, I also need you to, if you have a website, tell me what it is. If you don't, if you have a group on Facebook, tell me what it is. And I'm going to try, what I want to do is I'm going to ask you some questions in chat and have you just tell me what you think will work best for you. I probably should have set this up on Zoom so that you could see yourself and we could do the Zoom meeting live here, but I did not do that. Hindsight is always 2020. But tonight, we're just going to go through it. I wanted it to be simple. I didn't want it to be long and drawn out. I wanted it to be something that when we finished, you understood that you could do it your own self, okay? And so I've got some tools set up to really run this thing. I used to love that baked bean commercial. Roll that beautiful bean footage. I used to love that commercial. So we want to, on tonight, to roll some beautiful bean footage, okay? So hopefully we do have chat. They're ready to display. If you put them up, I'll be able to see them. I've got the email up, so hopefully we'll see that when it comes in too. It's ifeelgod@gmail.com. And I'm looking to make sure that it doesn't fall through the cracks anywhere as far as whether, if it's not considered, I don't want it to go to my spam folder. I filter a lot of things in the spam. So sometimes you can send me something and I'll never see it because it'll be in my spam folder. And a lot of what I send never sees the light of day because it goes to other people's spam folder. But such is life, okay? And that is how we do affiliate marketing. So I'm trying to make sure that if you send me something, I want you to send it now. Come on. I told you I'd be doing this. And so if you have an affiliate product that you've been wanting to promote, all I need you to do is to send me an email with that product. If you don't have a product that you already have become an affiliate for, and you'd like me to go through the steps of doing it, online, which is much like what we did, I think, a week or two ago, in finding a product. If you don't have a product, what I want you to do is tell me that. And if you'd like me to find a product for you, tell me who your natural market is. Who is it that who are you? Let me say it that way first. And then who do you want to reach with a product? What is a problem that you have that you'd like to give a solution to somebody on how to fix? And that's really that's how I've had my success in affiliate marketing, when I show people what works for me. And as a result of that, like case in point, let me show you something. Let me see. I hope I got it up. This is the little book we made, 10 Best Online Resources, right? And I look good then. I don't look quite as well now. But I have in here different products that we use. I mean, I didn't go out and just find out what would pay me the most commission. What I did was, what works for me? If it don't work for me, then it's not going to likely work for anybody else. So we put this together, and so you could see it. Now, if you want a copy of it, all you have to do, let me make sure I got it up here and it's ready to go. There it is. If you want a copy of it, if you'll go to that link right there, https://ifggo.pro/10best. And if you go there, you can sign up for it. It'll be delivered to you as a freebie. And plus, then I'll have your email address, and I can keep you apprised of everything that we're doing. Okay. So, but this is a little book we've made, and like where to get domain hosting, domain registration, then where to get website hosting. I have a whole site dedicated to website hosting, but I just wanted to give stuff that worked, that I knew that I had used, especially when I was starting, or lately I've checked out and I feel real comfortable in. One of the best tools, there are two tools that stand head and shoulders over everything else. Oh, you can't see that, can you? I'm sorry. Let me turn it on for you. Well, isn't that a special thing? Okay. But this is this tool right here, ConvertKit, is one of the tools that I use. It's my email of autoresponder customer relationship manager of choice. It is awesome in every way. Tonight, when you tell me what affiliate program you want to promote, I'm going to show you how to set up a landing page in ConvertKit, because I'm going to be assuming that most of you don't have a website yet, or if you do, you don't know how to set up pages in it. So I'm going to be very straight and succinct in getting you there with ConvertKit. ConvertKit, Groove Pages, I'm going to show you how to use both to create bridge pages and landing pages for your products. Okay, let me see. We've got something coming in. Okay, I don't have an affiliate product. Let me post it. I'm just going to show the world, Lucretia. Hallelujah. I do not have one. Education tools such as books, resources for parents to buy to teach at home. Good section. All right. Let me ask a question. Do you currently have a Facebook group that you own that caters to that market? A Facebook group that you own that caters to that market. Okay. In other words, if you are in some Facebook groups, we have to approach it differently than if you own the Facebook group. That's why when you can own the group, it's a good idea. But I'm in a number of groups that I do not own. Oh, you do? Great. So please send me somehow you can either put it in the text. I won't, so I can see where it's at. And Home Ed Connect. Great. Let me go over here. For those of you, this is how we would do this. All right. Home Ed. Oh, I need to go Facebook first. Okay. Let me just go to Facebook. And I'm going to go to the group. See, say hi. See me on the screen? Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Home Ed Connect, which is a group. Let's see where it comes. There it is right there, Home Ed Connect. And it's got 500 people, folks. We're going to make money today. Okay. Cree, can you see this? Is this it that I have on the screen right now? Is that it? Yeah. Okay, that'll work. All right. So I like the graphic. By the way, did I tell you? I like the graphic. The two is blended in, I think, with the purple pencil here. But other than that, that's excellent. You might want to put a black drop shadow behind the two, the TO right there, because it's hard to make out, at least for me. You know, I'm at that difficult age. My eyes. Anyhow, we'll leave that alone. All right. So this is Home Ed Connect. She owns it. That's great. Let's go out and find what possibly might work as a product for her. Now, I'm going to use, I've been telling you, always check out ClickBank products before you recommend them. Today, I'm going to divert from that for the sake of this whole process that we're going to do here. And Lucretia, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create everything, and then you can decide whether you're going to promote it or not as we go. All right. So we're going to go to ClickBank. ClickBank.com. It is in the earlier sessions, we talked about where to find affiliate products that you can promote. There's a lot of places. Of course, you know, don't forget Amazon Associates. Problem with Amazon Associates, they don't pay enough money for me to work with them, to be honest. The only thing I get out of Amazon Associates on the real side is that if I'm promoting something around Black Friday, you know, Cyber Monday, get up out of the bed Sunday, whatever it is, if I'm promoting something around that time, then people who go to Amazon to buy something else may well have my cookie. And if they have my cookie, let's say, amen. Oh no, service is temporarily unavailable. That's not what I had in mind. You know, why is it? Does anybody understand? Why is it that when you want to do something and get busy with it, they come up with something that says the service is temporarily unavailable? Only the James Brown can that happen to. Okay, let's go and find another one. All right. So is that okay with everybody? It's okay. Say okay. Okay. I see them. I see them. If so far I'm headed in the direction you want to go, I don't care what you're on. If you're on Facebook, if you're on YouTube, if you're on IG, on whatever you're on watching this, LinkedIn, just put in, I'm with you. Just type it right in. I'm with you. All right. Great, 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 great. All right. So let's go to JVZoo. Or there was also another one that I just thought about. Now I haven't done much with JVZoo in a minute, but let's take a look. I'm an affiliate. Once you log in, you go up here and you can find products. Now the thing with JVZoo is that sometimes they make you get the product approved before you can market it. There's also another place. Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus. Okay, so we're going to JVZoo and Warrior Plus. I'm already in JVZoo. Now, notice I've been with JVZoo since 2014. I started getting products approved in JVZoo in 2014. That's a ways back, folks. 6 years or more. So I've been doing this a minute. So what we're going to do is look for a keyword. Let's look education. See what we can find. Actually, I guess I've been here since 2013. All right. Let's do it by launch date. I know where I'm going to. I'm going to go to Muncheye. I talked to you about that, but I'm going to go to it as well. All right. That's a WordPress thing. Now, when we looked at these earlier, I kind of gave you an idea of how to sort through what you want to sell programs. You want to promote programs that are already selling. You don't want to be a pioneer, okay? You want to be a storekeeper. You don't want to pioneer the idea. You want to get something that people have already tested, tried out, love, and are moving on down the road with it, okay? So, Lockdown Education Warrior Special Offer. Lockdown Education. Academy Pro. That's just a WordPress thing. But they haven't sold but 10 of them. So that's not a lot of sales to really go with any of this. All right. Internet marketing for stay-at-home moms. That's not really. Math toys, kids, educational wooden toys. Unless your group is known to build stuff like that, you probably wouldn't want that either. And here again, these are not big sellers. So I'm about to go and move on to something else on education because I just don't see it. Well, let's look here. Education. Let's get rid of this and just search in the educational realm. Take it a second. Give it a second. Okay. Let's make it new. What's going on now? Not what's old. Okay. Now, understand that some of this that just has released in the last month, you're not going to have very many sales. Okay. So you know that's going to be a little bit low. And, but let's kind of look and see what might be around here. Palo Alto Networks. I at times I start looking and I stop talking. So if that's the case, somebody shake their computer and wake me up, okay? How to get Amazon AWS certified. Amazon AWS is Amazon Web Services certified. If you're certified, you can get a job. CompTIA also high stakes testing for computer people. Okay. If you're interested in that, these are some courses on doing it that you can sell to people if that is your marketplace. Here again, none of these I'm seeing right now, although all of them are relatively new, are showing any real sales. So what I'm about to do is swing over and also look for who has the best earnings per click. And so we'll try that. Takes a second sometime for it to pop up. Am I losing anybody out there? If I am, say, you're losing me. Okay. Earnings per click, 85 cents. And yeah, all of this is pretty old. Let's go back to the first. WordPress squeeze page plugin. Interesting. The commission rate on it is $100%. So if they sell it for $37, guess what you get? You get $37. All right. That's pretty high. That's conversion. Okay. I'm sorry. This is conversion. In other words, the commission rate is 50%. I was going to say, that's interesting. Now, actually, you will find some programs that'll give you 100% on the front end, but only a percentage on the back end. In other words, they have a funnel so that they first get the first amount of money, and then they continue to get money as they go. All right. I really wish ClickBank, we could have found something in ClickBank. I just really feel like that. That's pretty easy. Let me tell you something I found on ClickBank that was marvelous. And that is a set of instructional videos on potty training. Okay. And speed reading, how to teach your child to speed read, or how to teach your child to read. And it really focused on people who were having problems with their child's reading. And even if they were already in school, or even if they hadn't started yet, it was specifically designed around that. All right. Let's go. I'm going to go to Muncheye to see what is currently selling. Muncheye.com. Remember, I talked about that about a week ago. This is where you can find launches of launches of products that are coming out or that have already come out, and what network they're on, what the sales price is, what the percentage that they're offering is, and like that. All right. Some of them are just launched, and some of them haven't launched yet. Alice Seba always has good products. There are certain people that I just love to work with. I love their product mix. I love working with them, and they do good work. Okay. There are certain people, and then there are others that really that I've been bitten by. Okay. And that's not good. Okay. That's just not good. Team Black Belt. Okay. Let's see. Evergreens. Evergreen product is one that will still be saleable. It's not just based on what's going on right now. This is talking about getting a freelance paycheck. John Thornhill, he's okay. He's more anyhow. I've bought stuff from him. Let me just put it that way. Okay. Shopify mentor, or somebody who's going to start a Shopify site. Okay, let's go and find something else. Local, PLR, SEO, social media, video, general business. I like video courses, by the way, for if I'm selling as an affiliate. So I'm just not seeing what I want here. Let me go and look elsewhere. As my mother used to say, no one monkey stops the show. This is Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus usually is pretty good. You have real marketers there that are hawking their wares, and they usually hit it on the head. Okay, I've sold a batch of stuff on Warrior Plus, but I've bought more than I've sold. That's just the truth. That's just the truth. Let's look at top products in Warrior, and then we're gonna go and let's look at the dashboard and see offers. Okay. Let's go to the dashboard. Let's go to the. Did I do offers already? Oh, okay, great. Here's some of the offers. Let's do the sort by. Here we can sort by the sales they have, the launch date, all of that. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in education. And let's get maybe 100 on a page, because we don't want to sit around. Now, anything in Warrior Plus that you see up here on top, this is paid ads. They're paying people to show this at the top. All right. Just so you know. All right. Right Brain, Smarter Kids Learning. Okay, that's one. They don't have any great sales. Here's one. Instant book promotion. Youth Mentoring Network, 4 sales. That's not enough for me to deal with. Free online college level programming and computer science introduction. None of that did anything for me. Okay. The Right Brain, Smarter Kids might. We just don't know. We can't see it. Well, we can't see it. Let's go look. No. Let me post that. Let me post this. Question is, if I post a blog or article on my page from an affiliate site, is that considered a click, and do I get paid for it? Okay, let's talk about the different kinds of affiliate marketing. There's pay per click, PPC, and then there's pay per visitor, okay? Pay per visit, pay per action. All of this are different ways that you get paid. For the most part, you get paid on action, where somebody buys something. You get a percentage of the sale. Now, I have a company that I deal with called Max Bounty. They are very hard to get into if you're new. So this is probably not going to be for most folks, but let me go to Max Bounty for you. And go to affiliates, sign in. Okay, this is Max Bounty. They're a cost per action affiliate site. So let's say this is a solid converting Mac offer. Okay, what is it? Well, if you are promoting this offer to Mac users, every time a Mac user signs up for it, I believe it's sign up. Some of these MacPaw specialize in creating Mac software. This offer converts on a complete sale. In other words, you got to have a completed sale. Search engine and pay-per-view traffic requires bridge pages, no direct linking. We talked about bridge pages before. You don't want to send prospects directly to those sites, because many times it flags those sites as a problem. So what is going on? Try again. I did sign in, didn't I? Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, it got me. All right. So let's look over here. Um, Top converting offers. It's a survey. If you do this, you get $3.75 for everybody that fills out the survey. Um, but this really, let's see if we can't do the search around here. And these are campaigns, and it keeps you on track. If a campaign has been canceled, what happens with it, and all of that kind of thing. Okay. A campaign is simply an advertiser that has given you the permission to advertise their product. This wine deal over here, that's real popular. But I don't promote that. So anti-aging, anything to do with health is real popular. Okay. Concealed carry lessons, rent to own listings, VPN services, private network. VPN is a private network, so people can't see everything that you're doing. Get rid of burn fat. I need that for my own self. Let me browse. Let's see. This is the slow way. Okay. Money search. You know, people every year, they start sending out those things, and people want to find that lost money, especially when they need money. You can get paid for advertising for Biden, by the way. That was interesting. Credit counseling, credit zip foreclosures. When people are getting foreclosed on, you get their zip code, yada yada. Disability insurance. That's $8 every time somebody fills it out. If you want to look for somebody, if you're going to tell people how to do background checks on nannies, you may want to use Spokio. That's $12 per lead. Vendale Research, I've sold a lot of those. They just don't pay like they used to. They used to be really pretty lucrative because people wanted to do it. These are sweepstakes. People can win a Samsung S20. PlayStation 5. The hoops that you have to go through your customer will have to go through is not always pretty, okay? So you need to check it out before you, like, free samples. Hey, for your daughter, free sample giveaway for beauty stuff, $3 per lead. That might work good for her thing. Pure CBD oil. Now I have another affiliate product program that I use for CBD oil that's pretty good. I'm just not seeing anything right there with that. You also ask another question. Let me put that up too. You asked the question, is the first website the best for affiliates? No. It is probably the biggest. It is probably pays the best commissions. But to be quite frank, they have some junk on there. So if you're gonna promote through ClickBank, you really got to check what it is they have. But there are people making buku money on ClickBank. So be aware of that. I'm gonna go back just to see if I can get into it now. They might be having just an issue today. Let's try. Nope. So they're down for the night. Of course they're down for the night. Let's clear some of this up. Hide messages from the stream. Okay. All right. Any other questions? You guys are out there. I see the count over here in the corner, so I know you exist in both on all of these things. I got somebody on Facebook. I got a couple on Facebook. I got one or two on YouTube. If you're there, come on and help out. Let's find something. Let's go to JV Zoo again. That's usually pretty easy and quick. All right. So we've got some educational stuff here. Let's find something where they've sold some. And it takes a minute for it to come around. All right. WordPress Coursify. Copywriting Mastermind. Wanda W. Book. I have no idea what that is. Smart Marketing Coaching. Leads Master Pro. Okay, what I'm going to do is I want to go over here to best-selling products right now. Find products. We're going to see if there's anything else that we can see. I'm just going to pick a product that I think might work pretty well for anybody. Especially if I'm already approved, that helps the cause. Okay. Scroll saw patterns. That's deep. I'm still talking, folks. I'm sorry. When I'm reading like this, sometimes I don't talk a lot. Vegan Diet, Complete Guide to Cruelty-Free Diet. They haven't sold any. That is not going to work for me. If they haven't sold any, it's not going to work for me. Let's go over here and look at top sellers. Maybe we'll find something. MarketPal Pro, Doodle Maker. I sold that last week, by the way. What sold yesterday? Stephen Alvey's birthday sale. He always has good stuff. In fact, I think that's where I'm headed, folks. I think that's where I'm headed. Did I tell you that? Stephen Alvey is usually pretty good. He puts out top quality private label rights product. And so this is his new baby sale. He got a new baby coming. This is the stuff for it, right? And it has videos.
Hey guys, Stephen Alvey here from Warlord Entrepreneur, and today I'm going to show you the best, most advanced, most high quality and high production value PLR courses you have ever seen. Guaranteed. So with the original Viking PLR, we really set the bar industry-wide.
This is so you get a chance to hear how this is. He's got all kinds of PLR. Viking is a really well-known name in this business as far as private label resale. What does private label resale mean? It means that you can sell the product. And can I send instructions to sign up for? Tell me. So this is the baby sale for number 7. It's normal, you can get 2 payments of $160 or $300. I already have most of his products. I paid literally the right money for them. They're good, but I'm not that's not where I want to go for you today. As far as Ms. Terrence, you posted this, and can you send instructions to sign up where? Okay. But he usually has very good products, and that's why I went on to that. Let's see what else we can find. Doodle Maker, like I said, I sold that last week. Super Affiliate Builder, I think. Oh, nothing I want to sell. Not a single thing. Even though they've had good sales. Let's look at this one. I'm not an affiliate for this yet, but I might be. This is interesting. Let's see what the cost is. Let's see what the pay to play is. 62. Of course, he doesn't say what the price on that is. Let's see what it is. 67. So you can get the all-in-one package for 67, or you can get the little package for 62. So it's a no-brainer that you go ahead and get the other package, okay, the big package. All right, so this is $62. It talks about how to create videos, yada, yada, yada. So I'm going to go out here and see if I have to jump through hoops to get approved on this site. And let's see what we get, all right? And that was Course Reel, wasn't it? I believe so. Request permission. Oh, no. No. He wants you to go through and jump through a little bit of a hoop. Let's see how big a hoop it is. He wants you to fill out an application on another page. That's not happening with me. I've got too much. I've been doing this too long, and it's too easy to see that I actually make sales when I get ready. Request affiliate link. I'm here. And that's the page I was on. So that's not going to work for us, folks. That's not going to work for us, folks. Let me see what I'm already approved for, and we'll just pick one. Is that okay with everybody if I just pick one? If I just pick one? Put in the chat if I can just pick one. Oh, how do you get approved? I did that in a previous video as to how to get signed up. I will send you a copy of that video, Lucretia, and you can take a look at it. I think it's on the YouTube channel, but I'll get it and make sure you get it, okay? That'll work. Okay, so right now we're going to pick out some product that I've been approved for that I probably haven't sold a batch of. I've used all of these, actually. So, let's take a look at what's been selling. Now, this goes back to 2014, so let's find something rather new because, you know, I mean, this is Doodle Maker. Like I said, I sold that last week. It was a good package, by the way. Let's go on and get the links for that. Now, this is your JVZoo link. This is how you get paid, folks. This is how you get paid. So you copy this link out. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send it to a page of its own. This is the sales page for this product. All right? Just so you know it. Now, some of the products I use, some of the things I use include a thing called Lightfoot screenshot tool where I can take screenshots of different things. I don't like the coloring of this. It doesn't do anything for making sales. Okay. Terrible coloring. Always, if you can, have video where, have landing pages where your colors look good, if you can. All right. So what I'm going to do though is I'm going to go up here, and this is using screencast. What am I using? As you can see on the screen, okay, I'm going to capture with, and this is a TechSmith tool. I can't Snagit. That's it, Snagit. I keep wanting to say something else. Okay, so we're going to use Snagit just because I can edit in Snagit. And I'm going to just take this part right here. Is that okay with you? Okay, we're going to take that. I'm going to bring it back over just a hair so it looks about even on both sides. Okay, now I've got it. It's 1280 by 786. Probably needs to be 1280 by 720, but that's fine. We're going to take a picture. As you see down, oh, you can't see, can you? Let me clear this. Oh, I can't do that while I got that up. Okay, let me go back and clear the screen so you can see the bottom down here when I do this. All right. All right. So now, like I said, we're going to use this tool. We just got to tell it where we want to capture. We're going to do a box. Okay. About the same size in the white on both sides. And that's our box. Okay. We're going to now save this. Now, we could have saved a video, but I didn't. All right. This is it. So what I also want to do is go back here to the other screen. There it is. And I want to get the actual YouTube channel. Okay, this is his video explaining the product. Perfect. If you find a video from the person that's selling the product, chances are they're not going to have a beef with you using that video to create a landing page and what have you for the product. Right? So,
in this short video, I'm going to show you a brand new cloud-based software that is going to help you generate tons of new leads, sales, and profits in a few simple steps by helping you create profitable video courses.
Okay, well, that was the one we looked at before. Let me clear up some of these. We got a batch of windows open. And that's not going to probably be good for my overall performance. Okay. Getting rid of Warrior Plus, getting rid of Munch Eye, getting rid of Max Bounty. Okay. Now, we've got Paul Pona. That's the guy who does this. I've bought several of his products, including this one, from it. And we've got a capture page from it. And we're going to use that. And now we're going to go and I'm going to show you how to create bridge pages and get ready to produce a ad for your or promotion for the video, for the product, for the affiliate product. Okay. Great. All right, here we go. So, as I said, I really do like groove pages, and I do like and love, and I use all the time ConvertKit. ConvertKit is my go-to. Got to have it. And let's talk about landing pages. We're going to go up here to the landing page, and we're going to create a new landing page. All right. This is if you don't have a website. If you do have a website, I got a whole different way of doing it. We're going to create a landing page. All right. Now, they have a lot of templates that you can create your landing page with. But since this is really more of a bridge page than a landing page, we're going to just pick one that's pretty simple and just do it ourselves. Okay, we're not going to really use their templates. See all the templates that they have that you could use. I like this one. I like several of these that I've used and kind of leveraged off of. Now, the downside of this is what they want you to do is normally what they're trying to promote for you is getting people on your email list. Okay. Now, that's fine. That has its place, but we also want to get people to the actual deal. So here's a video thing. Okay, this one works. Academy. We're going to go ahead and choose that. Anybody got any questions? I'm looking over here so I can see your questions. All right. Now, notice here, this has a place to get your newsletter. It has a place for the video. All right. Now, what we're going to do is go over here to the video. See where it says share? We're going to hit share. And we're going to get a link for this video. So we'll just copy it, right? And then we're going to come back over here to ConvertKit. And see up here at the top, right here, you can put in the URL for that. Hey, see how quick that was? All right. Now, what else are we going to do? We're going to go back to the Doodle Maker affiliate link, affiliate page, right? And we're going to hit that so that we can see not the sales page. What we want now is to see the affiliate page where we can find more copy for our use. Okay, so bonuses, he has bonuses here. If you want to put bonuses with it, you can. What I'm looking for is the sales funnel information. I'm already a vendor. I'll just go to the sales page just to get there. All right. Now, we can use this. We can say sell our revolutionary Doodle Maker. No, we don't want to use that. This is not really what I want. This is the white label upgrade. Okay. I know somebody just said, what is he talking about, white label upgrade? All right. This means that you can sell Doodle Maker to 50 other folks. That's not the one I want. Okay. I want the Doodle Maker that's commercial. Where you can still make doodles that you sell, or even that. We'll just do Doodle Maker. Doodle Maker. Don't say it real quick. Doodle Maker. Doodle Maker Deluxe or Doodle Maker Enterprise. Either way, we're going to go ahead and sell that. And the reason we're going to sell that is, did I get the link? I think I did. Let's look and see at the page. Yeah, this is only $49. Great. Okay. What's the time looking like?
Hey, it's Paul again to make sure.
These are still the upsells. These are still the upsells. I don't want the upsells. I want the basic product. Upsells are great. But you have to have the basic product first. White label enterprise, deluxe, commercial, yada, yada, yada. Okay, here's another way you can do this. See this little funnel right here? Normally you can click that and it'll show you what other products are in this funnel. Of course it's not working today. Why would I think it would work today? Huh? I just asked. All right. They had a webinar that they did.
The broadcast is now starting. The broadcast
that explained it, and so we can use this. This is fine. No, we can't. This is not a YouTube video.
In this video, I'm going to show you the most powerful and most valuable webinar that you've ever watched, because I'm going to show you.
Now, again, I got certain tools that I can use. And okay, it's going to take me too long to download it. But we're going to also steal some stuff. Not steal. Okay. What we're going to do is take some of the text files and we're going to move them up here. And we're going to make this smaller. Much smaller. Maybe a 16. Nah, too big. Font size 16. There it goes. All right. Let's go to 24. Okay. Now we're going to go up here and we're going to use that same context that he had for his sell our extraordinary, no, get our revolutionary doodle maker and create great videos. Okay. Basically, I'm putting some stuff up. I did not do this earlier because I was expecting I was going to do one of your packages. Okay, now there's a problem here. That's because that changed my color scheme. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the color. What happened? And we're going to put in that code, AD2. Oh, I'm in the wrong place. No wonder. Okay. So now we got the same color. Let's make this bigger. Maybe 36. Okay, there it is. Now, get, ooh, too small, too small. Stop, Will Robinson, stop. Get our revolutionary doodle maker. For the first time ever. No. First time ever. You can now have the artificial intelligence. Okay. Now, the problem with this is that it's all in bold, so we're going to make it standard. But we want this to be bold. Okay. And all right. All right. So that's part of it. I'm going to delete this one because it doesn't bring anything to the party. All right. This is actually needs to be bigger. All of this needs to be much bigger, but it's not. But I don't have time to really go with it like I normally would. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a button right there. Okay. Now, that wrapped on me. It is centered, but I want to make it small. I want to make it wider so it doesn't wrap. I want my text to be bigger. So I'm going to go down here and see where this allows me to make the text bigger. So we'll make it much bigger. And we'll make the width much wider. Okay. How does that look, everybody? Does that look okay? Click here. All right. Now, this is a button. So what do we want to do? We want to give this button the URL for the JVZoo product. And we're just going to use, I don't want to use this one, and yet I don't see a way I can not use this one since it's not showing me the don't want agency, don't want commercial. Maybe it's deluxe. What y'all think? Think it's deluxe? If it's deluxe, we're going to find out. Let's go and look.
Hey, it's Paul again. To make sure you're set to take full advantage
Nope.
of all.
Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, I know how to do this. We'll go over here and find something cheap. Doodle Maker commercial. That might work. They really sold this Doodle Maker Deluxe. They sold a batch of those. Doodle Maker Enterprise was $47. White Label Enterprise was $408. As I recall, this thing was like 40. It couldn't have been 47.21. It couldn't have been. Couldn't have been. But I remember it being closer to 39 than I do any of these others. That's what's kind of throwing me off. I'm just going to get one now because I'm on. Ooh, we already over.
This is Paul Pana. Let me show you exactly how Doodle Maker is going to be an essential tool for achieving.
Praise God. Somebody say amen. All right. All right. So this is the sales page and all that good stuff. And now this is what I was looking for earlier, by the way. So we're going to copy this. And we're going to go over to our page on ConvertKit, right? And we're going to put this link, well, once we can. Okay, are y'all going to be like that today? Are you really? It's not letting me drop. Because this is viewed as a play button, it's not letting me drop. Oh, I know what I can do, though. That's because I've been doing this a minute. When you've been doing this a minute, you can do it. Let's move this down. Or move this up. Oh, we're having too much fun today. Oh, I'm sorry. I forget. I start working and I forget that I'm talking to people. Okay. There we go. Why did I do that? Because it wouldn't let me put that link in there. So now I've done that. Now I'll delete the extra space. Okay, now we'll make this centered again. All right. Now, join the newsletter. This is our newsletter here. So we can put in here what we want as the newsletter. Now, you come up here once you've selected that box, which we have. You come up here and it gives you form header styles, general styles, and all like that. Okay. So what we want is actually, we want the edit button for this particular square. Where you at? Oh, no. Oh, there you are. Okay. All right. So let's preview this thing. Let's change the name of it to Doodle Maker. I know this looked harder than it really was, guys. So just look over me this time. But this is what it's going to look like on your page. All right. And then when people put in their email address, you'll get them in your site success. Okay. What we also want to do is from here, it didn't save it. Are you serious? Okay. I know what to do for that. Watch this. Since I say, see, this is why you save stuff, right? And I changed the name of it, and I see Academy landing page, and I don't see, okay. I thought I saved it. Maybe I didn't. That was stupid. All right. Got to move on. Way over. All right. This is the idea of how to do this. Don't do it as sloppily as I did. Come up. This is the other thing I want to show you. Groove pages. Now, this is where I think the rubber hits the road, okay? We go up here, add a new site. All right, start from scratch. We're going to start. They have templates, just like the others. See all those templates? We want something extremely simple. So we're not going to even trolley with that. We're just going to go start with something simple. All right. In the old days when I used to do programming, they used to say, keep it simple, stupid. I think I was the one they were talking to. Anyhow. All right. So what are we going to do? First thing we're going to do is put in a headline, correct? All right. By the way, you can see different sizes for your landing page, whether it's on your phone, whether it's on your tablet, whether it's on your computer. Okay? So now what we're going to do is get the elements. First, the blocks. This is called a block editor. All right? So we're going to do headlines, headers and footers and headlines, then go from there. We're going to do all blocks because I just want to see the blocks. Yeah, this is easier. Okay, we're going to put that over there. Headings. I'm going to have to get a block first. I see that. Okay, we just want content. Content block. Let's do this. Okay. Just what I wanted. Okay. Content block. We got it. This is the content we want. Let's go back over here to where we were and found this. We're going to say futuristic, blah, 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 all of that. We're going to make that our heading. We also could, remember that picture I took earlier? We could have used that in here as well. Okay. I just wanted to show you how easy, I need to quit saying that, how easy it is to just do this, right? And future. Let's change the size here a little bit. And okay. And let's change the size of this. I want this a little bit bigger. I think I can get it a little bit bigger. And let's do 2.5 maybe. Okay, that's good. All right, now notice here we have another block. This is considered a regular text block, but we don't want to use it as a text block. What we're going to do is go up here and get an element. And in this case, the element we want to get is a video. All right. Media, YouTube video, boom, right there. Isn't that what we said we were going to do? All right. Now, let's go and put the YouTube video address in here. So we go up here, we get the share. Well, we get the share, just copy it. Then we come back over here to Groove Pages and stick it in. All right, wherever we go. Oh, there's configure. All right. Now in this, you don't need the whole HTTP da 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 da. You just need the last end of it. And so that's what we're gonna do. Put that in. And update. Isn't that our Paul Poner video? I do believe it is. Now, what I'm going to do here is all right. We're going to insert another element. This time we're going to do a button element, right? Remember what I told you about the button element? So let's go over here to buttons. Send buttons. Disappeared on me. It disappeared on me. Well, maybe we just have to put a content block in. That works. Okay. Got to put that button in there. Maybe my color on this button is wrong. That must be part of it. Well, it didn't show my button, but generally you get the idea. Oh, there's my button right up here. It put it way up top. See it? Okay, I got it now. Sorry. All right. I'm just a little guy. It copied it. Okay, we're having big fun here today. I got 3 of them now. What a guy. Folks, I'm tired. I am very tired, and I'm going to call it a day. We will pick this up on Saturday, and I'll do it better. We're an hour, half hour over, just about it. And we'll just have to do it again. If you're here, can you say, is that okay? Okay. Well, that's a fine howdy.